blueberry banana. I'm about to put some chocolate in there. Got some protein mix. Yummy. I'll give you a quick look over as to what the before would be. It is dirty. Main thing, it's left over from a vinyl wrap from the previous owner. 23959626645. Something at speedyc.com. It's an air conditioning company, I know that. Can you see the difference? Step 2, just use Goo-Gone, get rid of all the vinyl wrap that was left over. It's been a long night, finished 2/3 of the van with clay. I'm gonna peace out for the night, already ate dinner, enjoy a little piece of chocolate as a treat, get back at it early in the morning. So this is after clay bar, but before polishing. This is after clay bar and polishing. Before, after. Before, after. A little frustrated these stains aren't being removed, but that's my own doing. It's pretty substantial. Anyhow, that would take a lot to get off there. That's rust converter that I let over application of. And then the vinyl stuff, I'm still going to have to use Goo-Gone at a later date because that sucker's on there and I ran out of it because it's so bad. I had so much of it. So this is day 4 of cleaning the beast. I think I'm going to name it Enterprise. I'm going to start polishing this side of the van hopefully before the rain starts. Obviously I got to touch it up with some paint later on. See a slight bit of gleam. And there's a dull. Look at the reflection from the roof box up top. So here you can see the reflection. There's no reflection. So that's what I'm doing when I'm polishing the very fine scratches and all the oxidized paint off, exposing a smoother remaining clear coat. So there's a very light mist because it's supposed to rain in about 2 hours, so the rain is approaching. But I saw something really cool. You might actually be able to see the phone number on that side, and it goes away over here, which is pretty cool. There is it. Day 5. Paint protection should be the final step. And after that, I also have the top. I'm going to, instead of just polish it because no one's really going to see it, I'm just going to protect it. And I'm going to use the rest of the new finish. Unfortunately, I did some research. They no longer make the same product, same brand, but much less on the duration. Instead of half a year, maybe even up to a year, it's only about 2 to 3 months. So they changed the formulation when they got bought out. Sad to say, but that is the way the world goes. The paint sealant I'm using, MEGUIAR'S 21, should last about half a year to maybe 9 months in a good scenario. Sun setting, got the roof box all shiny and it looks brilliant. So the van is detailed. I'm going to get the wheels in a few days, where I'm going to attempt the BBs inside. Maybe it'll self-balance when gravel gets in the tread, we'll see. Been having a little bit of trouble with balancing the tires because the weights keep falling off. It's looking good. And got the windows all, as you can see, Rainx. We have leftovers, just chicken and broccoli. Anyone who knows if it's bad to take a frozen stainless steel pot and put it on the burner, if that, I guess, too rapidly heats it up and damages it, let me know. What was 38.3 is now 39.9. My battery was so cold it died as I was starting to record. And 70% humidity. Pretty good. Considering I think it's 98% humidity outside, that's pretty decent. 0% on the carbon monoxide detector, so all in all as well.